Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Jeff from Burn the Night. Today we have in front of us a Master Box 1/24 scale model kit. Ancient Greek Myths series, the trophy. This is a cool kit, man. It comes with 3 figures. It's got the horse, the female, and the male. I'm gonna say that this is Athena and Hercules riding back to the palace to have a little fun. But use your imagination. And here is our finished model. Like I said, it's 1/24 scale, so I wanted to keep the diorama very small so we could focus on the figures, which are really cool. The horse comes in about 3 pieces, very little flash. The kit is well put together. Athena, the female, she's a really cool figure. And Hercules riding on the horse, the Greek stallion. I got this model from plasticmodels.com. They're a Ukraine company. They've got great prices, great shipping, best model selection that you can find. And you get some free candy with every shipping. It's good too. So anyway, thanks for checking it out. And we'll be doing some more videos. And let me know in the comments down below if you want to see like any, builds, or if you want to see me do any builds or anything like that, because I'd like to do them, but I want to make sure that we do them the right way. Not a lot of editing. Just keep it simple. Alright. So this is Jeff from Burn the Night saying thanks again for watching. Rock on and keep the faith.